Hello and welcome, it's Jilly here. I'm doing a little creation on this nice little canvas. It is 25 by 50. Might be trying a few different things. I just bought these little finger sponges and I might see if they're any good for doing little finger kisses on some of the cells, but I'm gonna have a go with them, I guess. And then I got this really good shaped, it's an ice cube tray, but it really is great for holding the small pots of paint when you're making maybe just like a cell activator or something. So I just thought that's handy because I've got a paint cup holder, but it's for bigger cups. So this works really well. And I just was going to try some different cell activator colours. So I'm trying emerald green in the Amsterdam, and I'm trying red deep as cell activators, because somebody said, do you just have to do cell activators in black or white? And of course you don't. So I'm going to try these. It's a little bit thick, so I might have to add. I just put my paint in there. I don't measure it. It's just when I get to the right consistency, which is so it will pour, you know, for this particular piece that I'm going to do. So I want it to pour. This is just the rest of it is all my global paints mixed with the Keep It Simple pouring medium at the ratio that I've given on other videos. So I just want to try these different little, you see that's a bit thick. I always keep, like I've kept my previous gloss container and I've filled it with Aussie Floetrol. So you don't have to use Floetrol if you don't, I mean I don't use Floetrol if I'm using my, you know, doing a different technique with my Keep It Simple pouring medium, but this is just like trying to get that lacy effect. And a few people asking me about using different coloured cell activators. So I'm going to try these, try and do a demo how they all work. See, that was a bit thick because it's not even dropping off the paddle, so it's still probably a bit thick. I wanted to pour it, maybe that's okay. So this is not the Shelley technique because I'm not using house paint as my base, or I'm not using any pigments today. I'm just using these three Amsterdam paints and then the rest of my global paints. And I just love this little deep ice cube container because it holds these perfect. Say, oh, you could mix your paints in them, but no, because then you have to clean them all out. No. So I'm going the easy way. So that's a few of my cell activators, what I'm calling my cell activators, and I'm going to give my canvas. So that's the Aussie Floetrol is in them. Like when I use my my Kiss pouring medium and global will give me beautiful cells too, but a different kind of cell gives a nice like round cells within cells, whereas Floetrol gives like a lacy effect. So this is my white. This is not house paint. This is my global white mixed with my pouring medium. So I'm going to just put that on there and I'll quickly whiz past this pouring bit. Just making sure there's a nice good creamy amount on there, so when I do this swipe testing that it'll show, you know, what it's capable of, the different colours and what kind of effect they give. Just give it a go anyway. Rightio. So I will give the green a go and we'll see how this comes out. So I'm just going to pour a bit in a line. Just don't need much at all. So I just got soft plastic file divider. Let's see what kind of lacy cells we may get. Oh, look at those. See, so pretty much looking like you can absolutely use any colour, I guess. Oh, I shouldn't say that till we get through the others, should I? Rightio, we'll go the red, try the red. Oops, that little tray is great to put them straight back into so you don't knock them over, which is what I would have done. Yep, that works too. So really, look, I mean, with the Aussie Floetrol, I know it's a bit of a pain for people that can't get the Floetrol, but I know that the US and UK people that seem to have alternates from their own country, so give this. This was the, I'll have a look what it says on the tube, but I know it was the blue. It's my soft plastic file divider is bending in the center, that's why I missed out there. See, so it's kind of really good. I need to bring you down, have a little look at this, have a little look. Okay, let's go the other side now and just do the swipe on this side. Very simplistic, isn't it? Can't really go wrong with that. There's just so many people writing to me lately, oh, how'd you get those bubbles or those cells? I mean, I've explained and explained and explained in different videos. Here's another bit of a video, so let's do this. See if I can just let yours, well, I just let the soft plastic just let it sink for a minute, I guess, before you start pulling it down through the paint. It works a lot better. Look at that. Gorgeous. And it works lovely over my global paint mixed with my pouring medium, so it's still creating those gorgeous cells. So I'll have to think of something what I'm going to do now to jazz this piece up. That's just to show you this. You can use any colour as for those lacy cells effect. Looks a bit Christmassy here with the blue and green. I should have maybe separated that, but maybe I should try one of these little finger pops now, because I normally do it with just my finger, like, and it gives just a gorgeous effect, like a tiny little. I'll bring you down and you'll, where is it now? There, you'll see it. I call them a finger pop, so I'm just going to take one glove off and try these little dabber sponges on my finger, because they're meant for a finger. What's in there? Okay, which finger do they fit on? I'll try my chubbiest one so it holds on. Finger dabber. Let's see if I can get some nice little effects. Ooh. Let's leave a nice effect on there. I have to bring you down because I know you won't see them up there. That's oh, it's given a different. You need to just press this in where there is the cells, and then it sort of all ends up looking like a little flower. So not so much there. Maybe I need to. I've got collecting too much paint on the dabber. But what I do, if I finish with it now, I'll just put it straight into some water to clear it. Look at the little flower heads on it. And then you could, once you, just to, I'm going to do something further with this, but when you've you know, got all your little flowers on there, you can stick the very end of a skewer in. I don't want too much paint, to just do in the centre. These won't be, you know, like, so they look like the seeds in the centre. I'll bring you down and you'll see what I mean. They're very cute. Cutie patootie. Okay, I'll bring you down and see those little flowers. That one don't look so good, does it? But that one looks nice. If I let them dry and then embellish them when they're dry. It was just wanted to try those little finger things. Anyway, there you go, that's a cute one. I'd love you to be able to tell me what you think now I should do with this. So obviously I want to go further with it. I don't want to leave it like that. Put my finger bubbly thing into some water quickly. So go on a bit further with this and make it into something hopefully beautiful. So I'll put my little cell activators aside in my little container. I'm very happy about that. Happy to have a go with those little finger nubblies. Now this is my, I call it Berry Delicious, and it's I make it out of the cool red and then phthalo blue and a little bit of black if you want it to go real like a dark cherry. So I'm going to do that. So and this is metallic rose. I can't remember if I made this one up or I know that Global have got a metallic rose colour. I can't remember because they were done a couple of weeks ago actually. This is a dusky pink, which I know was white, and I mixed it with silver, metallic silver, and a bit of the red. Right, I've got to put a poppy colour in there now, something a bit darker. So we'll go this green. I think this might be Viridian. Can't remember. And then this was red, cool red with gold, metallic gold added in. So it sent it this, oh, it's beautiful, really lovely. And then I'll just go this light one, which was white with a bit of the green added to make it like a peppermint. So, fair bit in there, hey? Okay, and then I might use one of those cell activators. I might go the blue on top. So, these are just my normal. So we'll see if we can get some nice kind of botanical effects in here. Give it a go. Put that back in my thing so I don't knock it over. Give it a whiz over with the heat wand. And I'll put a bit of the, oh no, it's all right. I was thinking, always put too much, but anyway, we will see. Might not be too much this time. Use my little blower. Wow, 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 wow. How pretty are those? Wow. Let me do a bit of wiggly bits in there. I've got the end of my skewer to kind of make some shapes in there. Separate these so that they look more like a petal, I guess, in there. The world is your oyster. Do as you feel at the time. That's pretty. That's so nice. So even with my experimenting with the different cell activators, it still looks as though it goes okay, I think. Do you think? Looks pretty nice. Just give a whiz over with mine. I'm going to bring you down, have a look at this, see what you think. It's really pretty actually, it's really nice. I'm going to just try this. That is a gorgeous little painting that I can gift to somebody. Just want to just press in the centre. Oh yeah, that just finishes it off. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. Let me try. A little bit of the balloon kiss where, oh yeah. Oh, look at that. You could definitely press that onto cardstock, something. That's gorgeous. So now I have to do it on this one. Well, you don't have to do anything, but that's so nice. I want to. Oh, that's cutie patootie. Oh, they look like butterflies. That's lovely. I'm going to leave it at that. I really am. That's beautiful. I'm so happy with that. Thank you so much, my lovelies, for joining me. If you've got any ideas on something that you think I could have done differently, or you would like to see done, then, you know, not saying I will do it, but it'll give me some ideas of what you guys would like to see. So I will explore those little finger dabblers a little bit further with a different canvas and different technique, but loving that one at the moment. So thank you, my guys. See you again tomorrow. Bye for now.